Eating well is a lifestyle choice. It's something we opt into or we opt out of. It's something we put importance on or we don't. And it's something that's fundamental in my life about being consistent and choosing to make good food as often as I can. And so this is my savoury flapjack. This is a cheese and vegetable, nut and seed flapjack. It's completely sugar-free. You can give this to children. It makes a great snack. You could even have it for breakfast. And I've made it because I'm going to an education trust tomorrow, and I want to show how we can get away from ultra-processed food, because children are eating 75% of their calories on average from ultra-processed food, and teenagers up to 83%. And because of that, I want to show a different way of doing things, a way that you can enjoy really healthy food that also is easy to make and tastes fantastic too. And so it's a mission of mine that children deserve healthy food. They don't deserve kids' food, because kids' food doesn't exist. Kids' food is an excuse, and actually kids' food is actually a disjustice to our children, because they have higher energy demands and need more nutrients actually than we do. So this is my flapjack. It's delicious. It's sugar-free, and your kids will love it. Recipe coming soon.